Hey everyone, welcome back to Stoic Pulse. Today we're diving into the world of Stoicism and how you can start your day like a true philosopher. Let's explore 12 things you should do every morning to cultivate a Stoic mindset and set yourself up for success. Number 1, wake up early. Number 2, rise with the sun. As Seneca said, the best time to start living is now. Number 3, practice gratitude. Number 4, take a moment to appreciate what you have. Marcus Aurelius wrote. Number 5, when you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love. Number 6, meditate. Number 7, clear your mind and focus on the present. Epictetus advised, first say to yourself what you would be, then do what you have to do. Number 8, visualize obstacles. Number 9, imagine potential challenges you might face today. This practice, known as negative visualization, helps you prepare for difficulties. Number 10, cold shower. Number 11, embrace discomfort. It builds resilience and mental toughness. Number 12, choose a virtue to focus on today, like patience, courage, or wisdom. There you have it, 12 things to do every morning to start your day like a Stoic philosopher. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. As Epictetus said, he is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more practical philosophy and self-improvement tips. Until next time, stay stoic.